So good day guys, I'm here to teach you how to install operating system Ubuntu 11.10 in your personal computer, desktop, PC, or laptop using VMware Workstation version 7.0.0. Don't worry guys, you can use any other version of VMware Workstation because it's also the same environment. First, you're going to do you must open your VMware Workstation kind of version. Just click File and then New and then Virtual Machine. And then some pop-up icon will ask you what type of configuration do you want. Can be typical or custom. But I prefer to use typical because create a workstation virtual machine in a few easy steps. That's why I also suggest to you guys use typical, it's better, and then click next. Then another also it will ask you in what way did you install your operating system. It can be in installer disk and DVD drive, or it can be installer disk image file extensions ISO that we can use download from installer from internet, and we can download directly from virtual machine. So I can use installer disk image file, click the browse, and then click the one that you download, and then next. Another thing guys is the name, the full name, or whatever you would like to input the name because it is the name of your operating system Ubuntu, and username. Of course guys, remember when you finish or done installing this operating system and you entering this environment, it will also ask you the username and password that you input during the installation of the operating system. So I don't forget it. Then next, and then virtual machine name Ubuntu, and then next, and then it is required for 20 gig, but don't bother or don't think because 20 gigs not occupied by your free space in your local disk C memory card computer because as I have said before, it's in virtual machine where workstation only, so it's not affect more a lot. Then next, and then finish. So you can see it starts downloading now. Yep, the Ubuntu 11. Guys, if you don't have VMware Workstation, it easily done because it also open source. It can easily be downloadable on internet. You can search it and still find it. But first, you're going to do is before you download VMware Workstation, you must download uTorrent because in my own experiences, I first download uTorrent because I can't download VMware Workstation without uTorrent. That's why I suggest you to first download the torrent for the VMware Workstation. Then here we are, installing, and then as you can see, it's the keyboard layout install. Whether you like, it's up to you to choose what kind of keyboard layout do you want. But I prefer to use English use because it's most popular. But it's up to you again. Yeah, it's almost finished copying files. The keyboard layout, test keyboard. And here we are. After copying the files, the system install. Here are now the installation or the installing of the system Ubuntu. Configuring. By the way, welcome to Ubuntu 11.10. Ubuntu is packed with features to make your computer delightful to use. This version consolidates the Unity desktop interface, a brand new two-way manage your applications, now with more features and faster. We'd like to show some tools to look for in your new operating system. The Ubuntu Software Center has thousands of new applications ready for your computer. Decide what you want to explore the categories like games, science, and education. It is easy to download new stuff and write reviews to share experiences. Retrieving file 1245. Be patient while downloading. Furthermore, yep, hey, as you can see, it's almost a half loading for installing our Ubuntu. And remember, be patient while downloading it. And that's installing language packs. It's an overview now. As you can see, install language all packs. Browse ubuntu.com support to explore your other options. This is where the old files, all the files that your old operating system must have is transferring to your new operating system, that is Ubuntu. Yeah, and here it goes. At that, we go enter now. Installation is now done, and we go to the environment of Ubuntu. So here it goes. After installing the Ubuntu 11.10 in our virtual machine ware software workstation, so we can now use it by doing this. Favorites, click the Ubuntu 11.10, and in this command under the frames, you can see the power on this virtual machine, then click it. Then yes. After that, you can see the bootstrap. Now we're entering the Ubuntu environment. As you can see it now, later we input it. Do you remember that we input it password and the username while we installing the Ubuntu? It's now that we enter here, it needed. Just click it, password, and that's all. That's now the environment for Ubuntu. Yeah, here we go. It's the environment. You can see this is the, yes. If you click start button, there were then some pop-up icons which shows the very unique show images pop-up icons. Yeah, the Mozilla pop-ups, view photos, check emails, listen to music, find files, more application, and then that. And then in how to power up this, yeah, this, just close it and power off. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Hope you like it.